All right, here we have a car that you need to pay attention to. We have a 1964 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 409 4-speed. This is the right one, ladies and gentlemen. Painted in its original color, the azure turquoise. The car appears to have had one repaint in its life, and as I mentioned, it is in its original color. This car is sitting almost exactly the way it was born, with the original SS hubcaps on it. And it's got the ivory interior as it was born with as well. Again, looking down the body lines here, you can see the reflections, how nice and straight it is. This 409 is the original numbers matching, by the way, 409. 340 horse, with the original 4-speed transmission with the shifter, the 4-speed transmission with the original shifter. Power steering, power brakes. It's got the original 6,000 RPM tach in it as well. Dual exhaust. This thing is just awesome. We'll show you the interior and then you'll hear the way it runs too. This thing sounds as good as it looks. Again, all the correct door panels. Interior color's correct. The white interior just pops on this color and totally screams 60s. Here you can get a shot of the original steering wheel, factory column mounted tach, the correct engine turn trim on the dash, factory AM radio. Notice the dash pad's in good shape too. A lot of them like to crack right in here. This one's in great shape. It does have seat belts in it, as you can see there. Now the best part of this car is yet to come. As you can see, the tach does work. Even the cold indicator light still works, as you can see. But let's go take a look under the hood. Watch this. Shuts nice, just the way you'd want it to. And there she is. Numbers matching 409. Power steering, power brakes, as I mentioned. She is looking good. Some of the chrome and trim on the car, to me, appears to be original yet. As you can see, still shines nicely, but it's not, brand new, right fresh from the chromer either. Obviously, it's in good shape. See a few spots here and there. The paint's got, there's a chip or a ding here or there. But, boy, this car really has the eyeball. You can see all of the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Financing is available and trades are always welcome as well.